Yes, I am back again. In my last video, I told you guys I'm going to talk about marriage. What is marriage? Marriage is a union between a man and a woman. Marriage is when a man and a woman agree to spend the rest of their life together. It is a union between two forgivers. If you prepare for a sweet home, it is most likely that you will have a sweet home. Many marriages have failed today because they never prepare for it. The way you made your bed, that is the way you will lie on it. Understand your husband, understand your wife. Many people have challenges in their marriage because they don't understand their husband or wife. Marriage needs a lot of understanding. Know your husband's strength, know your wife's strength. What is her hobby? What is his hobby? Know what works for your man. Know what works for your woman. You know, marriage is sweet, but it depends on the cutlery you use to eat it. What is your husband value? What is your wife value? What does she like? What does he hate? Marriage is a school where you receive a certificate before you start. Marriage is an university that you cannot graduate from. Please click on that subscription button to join me in my next video.